Hello guys, it's your bro back with you another video. We are gonna be talking about the Confluence, and most importantly, we're gonna be talking about this new feature. That's right. So the new feature in the Confluence is all about having the public whiteboards. That's right. You can now share your whiteboards with anyone on the internet with just the link. That's it. They can actually view your whiteboard even if they don't have the Atlassian account. They can go there, and the thing is, you're actually gonna know if that user that you gave them the link is on your whiteboard, if their icon is actually appearing on the whiteboard. So that's actually pretty interesting. So this is the link right here, and so the question is how the whiteboards work. So it says end users can share whiteboards with anyone, basically anyone on the internet, just like within the space settings where you can actually allow the anonymous access. Basically, you can give the anonymous access to anyone on the internet, meaning they do not need to have the Atlassian account in order to view the documentation. And a wise choice here would be to limit this only for read-only, and that's it. No more extra permissions than that. All right. So now the question is, okay, how you can actually do this and how this works. Now, the thing is, as you can see right here, this is the whiteboard, and this is the first thing right here that says anonymous butterfly, anonymous lion, anonymous bear. So basically things like that, right? It's pretty much it reminds a lot, and that's correct. It can actually remind a lot on Google Docs or even like Google Sheets or something like that, where people actually come and collaborate. This is almost like that, but the thing is, this is for the Confluence whiteboards. All right, so that's one of the things that you can actually have in here. The another thing that it's pretty great are that admins are always in the control. So for the global permissions, when it comes to the public links, right here, so we have allow public links in this space, and this is basically the content title and everything else. Okay, so I have created a whiteboard here. Now, how do we actually enable this? So if we click on share and we go here where it says public link, we actually turn this on. So it says anyone in the internet with this content's public link will be able to view it. Anyone in this space will be also able to copy and share it. So I'm gonna say, yep, sure, go ahead. So now what we have is the public link right here. That question is, okay, how do we take the control of this? So if we actually go to the settings right here, if we actually scroll down, we're gonna see this. And if we go with space permissions in here, we're actually looking for our public links, which is here. You go to global permissions and you go for public links. So it says share content externally with public links, allow people. Yeah, there we go. Someone might ask, well, why the public links are not being shown in here, right? So it says we can load the spaces for this site. Okay, whatever. So the thing is, because the spaces that I already have, they're not for the public access, even though if some of the pages or actually for the public access. But if there is no permission on the space level, there is no public access at all. Okay, so I have another window in here. Let me just add it real quickly. Yeah, this is it. This is the another window that I'm actually gonna use. But instead of having my account in here, I'm just gonna log out. I'm gonna hide everything from here. And now it's like, okay. Now I'm gonna say, alright, so what happens now? So this is like the anonymous user. I'm not logged in. And what it says, you have view access. So this is it. So now I can see it. Now what it says, well, I'm an anonymous shark, right? Now the question is, okay, can I actually review this back? And the answer is yes. Let me just switch between the screens real quickly. Let me just go back here. Just a moment. Okay. There we go. We can go around. We can click around. We can see what is going on. Oh, just had a little lag right there. Okay. So I can go here. And now I'm going to switch on my window. Right here. Just give me a sec. Okay. And this one. We're back. Okay. So see this right here? It says anonymous seal. And that is actually correct because I am actually having someone who is viewing my whiteboards right here. And that's actually pretty interesting. And now I know that there are actually some people who want to collaborate. And this is actually pretty good. And I know that these people don't have the Confluence license. And yeah, this is actually pretty good. That's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.